Hello, my name is Brian Schieser from Trellis at the Heathman Hotel in Kirkland, Washington, and we're here today to show you a quick mushroom and bean sprout stir fry. So our ingredients, I'm going to use enoki mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, and oyster mushrooms. I'm going to use some sprouted lentils, peas, and bean sprouts. And we're going to garnish it with a little julienne of carrot and sprouted clover on top to give it a little bit of crunch and a nice light texture at the end. So we start out by taking a seasoned pan. You can use a skillet, a cast iron skillet or a stainless steel skillet, but we have a wok here. We're gonna put a little bit of sesame oil, touch of olive oil, garlic, ginger, our mushrooms, want to just saute our mushrooms very lightly. We don't want to cook them all the way. Into this we're going to add our bean sprouts. Little salt, touch of pepper, I'm going to take our sauteed sprouts and our mushrooms, place them in our bowl. Going to garnish this with a little julienne of fresh carrot. Some fresh sprouts. Just a touch of soy sauce, a little sesame oil, touch of red pepper flakes, and here we have a Chinese mushroom and bean sprout stir fry.